Hello YouTube, Gallagher123123 back with an unboxing video for you all. It's been a while since we've done one, but we've done a lot this past year, but I'm back with another one. I think the last one we did was back in August when I unboxed the Braille Note Touch Plus. Well, this one is going to be quite a bit smaller and not as exciting, but I'm still excited to see how this works. So what we have today to unbox is an Amazon Echo Input. Now, it's a kind of a similar product to both of these Echo Dots, which we looked at in our last review type video. But the difference with the Echo Input is it does not have its own speaker. So you have to hook it up to something else, either a Bluetooth speaker or something like that to make this fully operational. But I got it because Amazon had the little guy on sale about a week or so ago. I'm recording this on December 27th, so a week ago yesterday, they had this on sale for $10. It's normally $35, so I was like, $10, I'll pick one up and give it a try. Now this is a white one, but let's see here if I can get this thing open, and we'll see what's inside. So I'm gonna put the camera down. I know, I'm not very good at these, but it's something. So let's put the camera down and see if we can get into this little box. Actually, before I try, let's have a quick look around it. I'll show you. You read it if you want to read it, but and finally, there you go. So let's see if I can get this. I'll be right back. Okay, so in my feeling around, I found a bit of tape. Let's see here. Okay, so after peeling that off, this seems to open back up a bit this way. Let's see. Okay, let's turn the box. So sorry about that. You're seeing my Echo Dots in the background. I have them both muted, just in case I happen to say something that triggers them. Alright, I'm gonna put this down for a quick sec while I see if I can remove that. So I can see if I can remove some stuff. Okay, so what I'm seeing is it looks like there's another piece of thing here in the box. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove this out. And it looks like this black box will lift out. Let's see if I can do it with one. No, gotta get the other hand in here. Okay, yeah, it looks like everything is in here. So I'm gonna put this box over here. And we'll figure out. Oh. Figure out how you get this stuff out. Looks like the input is trying to come loose. If I can feel it. Yep. Oh, take a look. This is tiny. Gonna go ahead and move. Oh, I knocked out the. Looks like probably some instructions. Yep. So before we take a look at that, here is the input. Wow, this is actually pretty cute. I'm just trying to see what we got on it for ports. Sorry about my big hand. Okay, so it looks like, yes, we have a auxiliary port, which can be used. I have the white Echo, or Echo Input, by the way. So yes, we have the auxiliary port for hooking up to a wired speaker. And wow, I really like the size of this, actually. And then we have the looks like a USB charger port of some kind. I'm guessing it's micro USB, but we'll see when I pull the charger out. Yeah, this is tiny. I love it. It's actually adorable. All right, let's see if we can figure out what else is here. Okay. So yes, this looks like our book of instructions, but who needs them? No, just kidding. Oh, and there's another piece of paper that fell out here. Not sure what that is. All right. Okay, we've removed some cords. Oh, so I was right. This is a micro USB connector that goes on this. Okay, that's pretty great. And let's see, anything else? Okay, what we got here, this looks like an auxiliary cable. So that you can use this to hook up your speaker, you know, to the Echo input. Perfect. And I have a feeling that the next item we should find, if I dig around, if I can kind of feel remnants of it. Ooh, it's hard to get it out though. Yes, there is a plug. Kind of reminds me a bit of an Apple plug, actually. Okay, so I'm gonna quickly see if I can put these together. I'm not gonna plug this in because I'm not planning to set it up in this particular location, but I'm actually pretty excited to give this a try. But I want to see if I can figure out where the ports go, and I'll be back. All right, so we just got the plug in here, and I'm going to put it into the input. Sorry, I have very little room on the table I use, which is my nightstand here. Okay, I'm going to put this in. Okay, well, there it is. It is set, and it is ready to go when I am ready to use it, which I'm going to hook this up in a little bit. Oh, I see how this is set up. Okay, so for buttons, looks like you have potentially an action button and a mute button. So it's a lot less controls than the Echo Dot. Now let's quickly get a quick size comparison. I should have done this before I hooked everything in. Okay, so that's the Echo input on top of the second gen Dot, or third gen Dot, sorry. And it practically, there's so much room around it. It's a lot shorter and not as, yeah. Let's see how it is on top of this one. Okay, that fits, covers it up a bit, but it's like, still there's a lot like down below, so it's definitely shorter. Because there's no speaker in the input, so you have to use something. Actually, one of these would make a nice traveling device. So, maybe I'll have to get another one. I quite like this. But, anyway, that's for later. So that is the Amazon Echo input. And I'll clean this mess up from unboxing it. And other than that, that is it. So, hope you've enjoyed this unboxing. I know I'm not the best unboxer in the world, but hope you've enjoyed seeing what was in the box. And it's kind of fun to video my first reaction holding a new device. It's kind of different. So, hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next video.
We hope you have enjoyed this video. If so, please subscribe for more, and feel free to comment. Also, you can follow me on Twitter, at Gallagher123123. Thank you for watching, and we will see you soon.